how many planets are there?
8.
Can you name them?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Reyansh, can you tell me which one is the biggest, largest planet?
Jupiter.
Which one is the smallest?
Mercury.
Which one is the nearest?
Mercury.
Which one is the farthest?
Neptune.
Very good. And which planet is called red planet?
Red planet. Mars.
Very good. Reyansh, sun is a planet.
No.
Good job. So Reyansh, can we go to the flag section? Tell me the flags in the capital city. First flag is of
India.
Okay, and which one is what is the capital city of India?
New Delhi.
Very nice. Now put your finger on Japan flag. Okay, and the capital city of it is?
Tokyo.
Good. And where is Russia?
Here it is.
And the capital city of Russia is?
Moscow.
Okay, and where is Saudi Arabia flag?
Here it is.
And capital city of it is?
Riyadh.
Good. And capital city of China?
China. Beijing.
Good job. Reyansh, can you make 5 o'clock on this? Okay, rub it so that we can do the next one. Good job. Now Reyansh, can you make 3:30 on the clock? Okay, cool. Yeah. Sure. Alright. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.